Hi there. How are you all doing this very fine day or night? I don't know when you're watching this. I hope you're doing fine. My name is Sharmin, and today we're going to talk about a film called The Roses on Post Credit Talks. The Roses is a black satirical comedy directed by Jay Roche, adapted from 1981 Warren Adler novel named The War of the Roses. Now, most of you may not have heard about this movie, but I have been waiting for this one for a long time, ever since I saw the trailer. Mostly because of its stellar cast that has Benedict Cumberbatch, that's right, Doctor Strange, and Olivia Colman, the two-time Oscar winner. Now, when you read about this cast, you know at the very least, you're going to get a performance that is worth watching. The film is about a couple who has been married for way too long and they have been going through a patch when husband and wife says I will kill you instead of I love you. So why do I think you should watch it? Is it because this film has two of the finest actors of our generation who can make every frame come alive no matter what it's in the story? Or because I am a fool for love stories that talks about the rational, real conflicts of it? Well, yes and yes. You should watch this film because of its stellar cast, which also comprises of Andy Samberg, Kate McKinnon, and Joey Chow, who are all doing the thing that they are known for, which is comedy without even trying it. Mostly because the film has two of the best performers of our time, presenting you a kind of chemistry that can only be created by them. Yes, they served it. It's one of those performance driven films that keeps you hooked the whole time without trying too hard, without any grandeur or car chase or over exaggerated drama. This is mostly relatable, fun, yet bittersweet conversations and dialogues that you will enjoy and also kind of get onto a self evaluation. Wait, is this how my relationship is also progressing? Or wait, did we also did this kind of thing? But not too deep. The most enjoyable part of this film is its dialogue, which is British humor. If you know, then you know. It's a well guided narration that packs a deep diving insights into a very fun and enjoyable package which will give you the entertainment but also a little peek behind how marriages progress. Well, we all know about it, but it's always good to, keep updating ourselves about it so that we don't forget it. All in all, I think The Roses is a very entertaining and light watch, especially with your significant others. So, if you have a date night coming up or an anniversary, I totally recommend watching The Roses with your partner, spouse, fiance, whatever. If you watch it, do let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. And keep watching post credit talks for further movie recommendations, and you can also let us know what kind of recommendation you would like us to do. So that's it for today. See you in another video.